20 grams of HI is heated at 327 degrees centigrade in a bulb of 1 liter capacity. Calculate the volume percentage of H2, I2 and HI at equilibrium. Given that the mass law constant for the equation 2HI changing to H2 and I2 is 0.0559 at 327 degree centigrade when concentrations are expressed in moles per liter. When concentrations are expressed in moles per liter. अच्छा, जब temperature and pressure constant रहता है then volume percent is same as mole percent. अब जो equation है वो है 2HI changing to H2 and I2. Now moles of HI is weight of HI, that is 20 gram, divided by molecular weight of HI, that is 128. अब इस equation से ये पता चल रहा है कि 2 moles of HI dissociate to form 1 mole of H2 and 1 mole of I2. तो अगर degree of dissociation alpha है then amount dissociated, we can say 2 alpha moles of HI dissociates to form alpha moles of H2 and alpha moles of I2. तो initially अगर 20 by 128 moles of HI present है then HI remaining will be 20 by 128 minus 2 alpha and H2 and I2 formed will be alpha and alpha respectively. Now equilibrium constant is the concentration of H2 multiplied by concentration of I2 divided by concentration of HI raised to the power 2. 2 is the stoichiometric coefficient of HI. अब H2 concentration हो गई alpha moles per liter, I2 हो गई alpha moles per liter, so alpha into alpha divided by HI remaining is 20 by 128 minus 2 alpha, तो इसका square, and this is given as 0.0559. Now taking square root on both the sides, we get alpha divided by 20 by 128 minus 2 alpha is equal to square root of 0.0559, which is equal to 0.236. Solving, we get alpha is equal to 0.025 moles per liter. Therefore, at equilibrium, moles of H2 is 0.025, moles of I2 is 0.025, and now we can find out the mole percent of H2 and I2. Mole percent of H2 will be equal to moles of H2 divided by total number of moles. Total number of moles will be 20 divided by 128 at equilibrium. So how do we find total number of moles? At equilibrium, moles of HI is 20 divided by 128 minus 2